Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students. Hope that you people are going well at home, staying safe at home, and helping your parents, especially helping your mothers in their task also, because I really believe that it is the best time to enhance your home skills. Like you people can help your mother in cooking, you people can help her in washing dishes, you people can help her in setting the table, and even if some of you are having the younger siblings, you people can help your mama by treating kind to them. Okay, I really feel that it's the best time to enhance your skills. Alhamdulillah, today we are switching to our next topic, that is homeostasis. So first of all, I will tell about what is homeostasis. Homeostasis means maintenance of the internal body environment, or maintenance of the internal body conditions. Because you people know that our body is having a constant body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit, at which our body can perform all the functions in a very balanced way. So in the homeostasis, we will talk about the three processes. We will talk about the three ways by which our body can maintain the internal environment. The you can say conditions of the body can maintain the internal environmental conditions in a balance. For this purpose, you people know that you people also know that we humans are coming under the warm-blooded. Warm-blooded animals are those like we who are having a constant body temperature. It means that either outside it's a freezing minus temperature of the December, or even either outside it's a very high temperature like above 45 temperature of the very hot season like the June. We people are having, our body is having a constant body temperature, that is 37 degree centigrade, and our body is supposed to maintain that temperature to work well. Now in this topic, I will tell you how our body can maintain the constant body environment. The body can maintain it by three ways. First called osmo. The first one called osmoregulation. The word osmo is coming from the water, and regulation means maintenance. We people know that our each and every cell is almost 70 to 90% having the water content. So if I'm sitting here in a very hot weather, what is happening to my body? My body will, my outside temperature is very hot. Yes, my outside temperature is very hot. It's a very hot day of June today. So my outside temperature is above 45. So what my body is doing? My body is giving out the excessive water in the form of the sweat. Yes, you people can feel the sweat whenever we are sitting in the hot you can say conditions. So my body is giving excessive water in the form of the sweat, and this sweat is basically, what is the purpose of this sweat? This sweat is giving the coldness here and lowering down my body temperature to 37 degrees Celsius, so that my body can work best at this temperature. So for this reason, we are supposed to drink a plenty of water in summers, because in summers excessive water is just being lost out of our body due to sweating also. Now come to the second process, that is the thermoregulation. Thermo is a word which comes from the heat, and regulation means maintenance. Again, our body is having a balanced body temperature, that is the 37 degree Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit. And we people know that many kind of the metabolic reactions which are taking place by the help of the enzymes, those enzymes can work best at the body temperature. So outside again, it's a very cold day of June, it's a very hot day of June. Temperature is very high, above 45. So my body temperature is, you can say, if I talk about my body temperature, it can having the impact due to the outward surrounding temperature. So my body is supposed to maintain a balanced temperature. Either it's very hot outside, either it's very cold outside. so that all the enzymes can work best in my body. All the enzymes can just do the best reactions inside my body. Come to the third one process now. The third one process is the excretion. Excretion is again the removal of the excessive waste out of the body. So just have a look. Again, many kind of the metabolic reactions are happening. What are the metabolic reactions? All kind of the metabolic reactions release many kind of the waste inside our body. So the waste is just being removed out of our body to maintain an instant balance equilibrium or instant balance environment of our body, so that it can work best. So just think for a minute. Why the sweating is happening to my body? Because my skin is having the small pores. Those due to that pores, the excessive water and mineral salts are coming out of my body and maintaining and giving a relief to my skin, relief to the outward temperature of the, you can say, surrounding to my skin, and lowering down my body temperature. So in the same way, Allah has given the specialized, you can say, organs to the plants as well as to the animals, by which they can maintain their internal body environment to create a balance. So I guess the concept become very clear to you people. And yes, after this we will go through the reading of your book. Open your books. It's a page number 18 and 19 of your book. Okay.